iLearn iPrism, the administrative tutorials. System settings, local categories. We'll start off by explaining the purpose of local categories, rename a category, and use it in a web profile ACL. Let's get started. As discussed in the tutorial titled Profiles and Filtering Web Profiles and Profiles and Filtering Managing Web ACLs, enterprises create their acceptable use policies by blocking and unblocking various iGuard categories, ultimately applying them to their users and computers. The iGuard database contains 85 categories, plus an additional 18 local categories, including local allow and local deny. These 85 iGuard categories cumulatively contain millions of URLs, each of which has been reviewed by the iGuard team. This tutorial explains the use of the remaining 16 local categories. In the System Settings Local Categories screen, iPrism administrators can perform the simple task of renaming these local categories, with a general intention of creating whitelist filtering capabilities. Let's create a whitelist, specifically targeting a department that requires an explicit list of unblocked URLs, while the rest of the Internet is off-limits. In the Local Categories table, select Local 1 User-Defined Values and click the Edit button. In the Local Category Name field, type Shipping Exceptions and click OK. We're finished with the Local Categories screen. Now, let's save these changes and proceed to the Profiles and Filters Custom Filter screen. In this screen, click the Add button, type star.fedex.com in the Location field. Under Action, select Categorize and click the Select button. Expand the Locally Defined Categories, select Local 1 Shipping Exceptions and click OK twice. Remember, custom filters take effect immediately. FedEx.com has been recategorized from its original iGuard categorization and is now considered a Local 1 Shipping Exceptions URL. Now, let's create a web profile for the shipping department. Select Profiles and Filters Web Profiles and click the Add button. Type Shipping in the Profile Name field, select ACL1 and click the Edit button. Click the Monitor All and Block All buttons, expand the locally defined categories, unblock Local 1 Shipping Exceptions, and click OK twice. This newly created shipping profile contains an ACL that blocks all iGuard categories except Local 1 Shipping Exceptions, which contains a single URL, FedEx.com. This profile is now ready to be mapped to a group of users or computers, ensuring that they can only access Enterprise Policy approved websites. Using this same set of procedures, enterprises can leverage the locally defined categories, creating extremely granular and flexible filtering policies. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, click on the info icon located at the bottom of this video player.